Today we're bringing you a custom LPT. It's big, it's green, and it's mean. The build on this LPT was very intentional. End user jumped on the website, knew he had a tough job to do, and put together one of the most capable bumperable dump trailers that you can get your hands on. He started out outfitting it with a pintle ring hitch on the front instead of the normal ball coupler. This is a popular choice if a user is going to be pulling it behind a heavy class truck, more than just your normal 2500, 3500 truck. That's a good choice. The LPT features a 3-stage telescopic cylinder. When you're out there shopping on the market, you see a lot of scissor lifts. Not knocking scissor lifts, but there's nothing tougher than the 3-stage telescopic on the front. It is has the most leverage because it's pushing straight up at the front. Think dump trucks, dump trucks. You see them all the time. That's why they do it. It's the most efficient use of force that you can possibly put on a dump trailer is a telescopic front mount cylinder. You'll notice this dump trailer has our engineered beam technology in the frame. You can see the contour of the frame. We have full control over the height of the beam, the thickness of the material. We put the material where it counts the most, not having any extra unneeded bracing and extra thick materials just to try and get a job done. The engineered beam frame on this trailer makes it super efficient and keeps the weight down. This one is rated at 20,000 pounds GVWR. It has two 10,000 pound torsion Lippert axles, two 15-17-5 wheels and tires that are 16 plies. The Valcrum aluminum caps come as part of that package. This one's also outfitted with the 7-gauge Super Duty body that you can give a thrashing. I'm talking a thrashing, and it's gonna hold up for years to come. This one was also, he wanted it to stand out, so he went with tractor green. We have a ton of different colors to choose from. Jump on our website, outfit an LPT to do the job you need done. Follow us on all the major social channels, and we'll see you on the road.